Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO F5 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. First of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's not scroll down because first of all we have to activate the section in which we will find the proper option. So let's tap on About Phone and keep tapping on the MIUI version for POCO in order to activate the developer options. And if you want to learn more about the developer options, I've just recorded a video about it, so I highly recommend to check it. So after activating, we have to scroll down to find additional settings here. And scroll down to the very bottom. Then let's tap on the developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. If you want to turn them on, just tap on the switcher, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really have to remember about manually updating your device, however you have to remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, if you want to, you can also turn off this option whenever you want. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your POCO F5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.